right, what number are you starting with?
I'm doing 10.
So you gotta put how many raindrops on there?
1.
How many go on 10?
1 and 2. No, 10.
Yes.
They go through this cloud and rain.
All right, count them out for me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job. Now what number?
1,
2.
2.
1, 2. Good job. Now what are we doing?
1.
Number 1. 1, what is that?
1 raindrop.
Raindrop. And raindrops come from what?
Cloud.
Clouds.
And snow got drunk.
And what happens when these get too many raindrops in them?
They explode.
They explode and they cause rain to fall down on who?
On kids.
On kids? Oh my.
And the kids can explode.
Ah. All right, what number is this?
3.
And how many raindrops do we have?
1 and 2.
Oh, so we're missing one, right?
Yeah.
Oh no. Okay, put it down. 3.
1, 2.
3 raindrops. Good job.